In this video, we explore the Construct Similar tool. The Construct Similar tool is in the TurboCAD Designer, Deluxe, Professional, and Platinum 2019 products. Construct Similar takes the properties from a selected object and applies those properties to an active tool. This will set the object properties before it is created with one simple click, similar to the Microsoft Office Format Painter command. Properties copied by this tool include line fonts, patterns, colors, text and dimension font types, sizes and styles, and wall attributes. Let's begin by first placing the Construct Similar command onto a toolbar. We will display the Customize dialog box and select the Commands tab. Then into the Find command, we'll type in Construct Similar. With our icon at the top of this dialog box, we'll select it and drag it into the toolbar. Now we've placed our Construct Similar command for easy access. Let's demonstrate this tool in action. I'm going to drag some objects with a variety of properties that I'll use for referencing. Note that when I'm in the Select tool, our Construct Similar icon is disabled. We have to actually be in a command that creates objects for it to activate. Let's go ahead and select the Rectangle tool, and now you'll notice it is now active. We can select this and pick an object that we want to copy properties from. Let's take this top shape, and now when we create our rectangle, those properties that we referenced are copied onto the shape we just created. Again, select the tool, select the shape, and create a rectangle. Next, let's explore how the Construct Similar tool helps with setting dimension properties. Dimension properties include arrowhead types, text positions, tolerances, extension lines, offset values, to name a few. Using the Construct Similar, all these properties can be set with a single click. Let's demonstrate this by adding some dimensions to the polygon with the Construct Similar tool. We'll select the Parallel Dimension tool, now the Construct Similar icon, select the dimension that you want to reference, and now two vertices for our dimension. Let's do that again. Select the Construct Similar, reference a dimension, create a new dimension. And one more time. Construct Similar, reference dimension, add a new dimension. One more item to note: when you do select the Construct Similar tool, in the inspector bar you'll see two new icons as options. One is to highlight the entity as you roll over it. Disabling it will show you just a cursor. The cursor will update. Likewise, the second icon is the copy layer, whether or not you want the layer copied to the new entity that you create.